What's going on, guys? Got a couple things with power pole. We got the Sea Monster adapter for the NEMA connection, and we have another display. With the display, you get all your termination ends and looks like two butt connectors. Butt connectors are for your fuse. You get the magnet for pairing it with your power pole. You get the back piece. This is the back plate that mounts to your boat, or whatever you're mounting it to, and then you get the display itself. And all this does is actually just pop into the back of this, drill the hole right there. We're gonna go over this later. I have this gonna go on the back of my boat. Stay tuned. Okay, as far as the Sea Monster, let's do a quick unboxing in the next video.